Okay, and we're back. So now we're going to, like I said, last time we were working on cleaning up the edges of the copper here and making sure that's all ready to go. Cleaning the outside of the coppers on these ones, cleaning the inside of all four of these valves, the ends of the valves anyway. So now we got to do the next most important step is your flux here. Not most important, but if you forget it, sure the hell isn't going to work. So you want to make sure you get a good amount on there. Get it inside of here. I put it on both sides inside here, and I put it on the outside of there. So on the male and female end. Make sure you get lots. You can never, well, you can put too much, but it's very hard to. And you don't want to get too much going inside the valve or anything like that. But like I said, it's you can pretty much cake it on there as much as you want. Slide that in there, and that is ready for some action. We'll prep up more than one at the same time. We're going to do the two that you can see nicely right there. Yeah. See that? See, so you can see, get a good amount caked on there. Doesn't hurt any in there. And we'll slide it in there on top. Boop. See, the extra comes off anyway, so no big deal. Doesn't hurt nobody. Okay, and then here, bit more application, but still same idea. Inside, get inside there, make sure it's covered all the areas. Okay, get that. Now, the pipe. On the pipe, same thing. Get it on the pipe. Get it just nice spread out. Make sure you got it everywhere. Join these two together. Voila. And then you can't forget to do the other side as well, though, where you're going to be going inside. So I think I'm going to solder all three while we're doing it. So we will put some on the inside of the valve here as well, which I think we already had put some there earlier, but okay, doesn't hurt to have extra. Okay, and then we're going to get this side of the pipe. So again, male, female, both sides. Get it in there. Okay, slide her in. And that works beautifully. Okay, like that. Now, typically, there's several kinds of torches on the market. There's a blue one and a yellow one. The yellow one's a bit more, a bit stronger, so that you don't have the torch as long. And if you're doing bigger copper pipes, you kind of need the yellow one anyway. So typically, this will have a thing like this on the end of it. I got the hose adapter here just because it helps in certain situations. In this case, we don't really need it, but it's on there anyway. So. The lead-free solder that we're going to be using. Cut that off just for safety. You don't want to keep that going, but get your solder ready here. I like to bend the tip so that you can really get around and sort of point it where you want it to go. Always leave a good amount of length in there so that you're not getting hot on your hands, stuff like that. So that's about it. We're ready to start the soldering now. So let's go ahead. We'll get some glasses on just in case. Here. Okay. So the idea with the solder is you want to start, let's say for example, at the bottom or on the farther side from where you're going to be, and you want to heat up that area there. The flame's going to wrap around the top and the bottom, and it'll get to the front as well. So the heat will get there. So you want to put your solder on the front side here so that the hottest part at the back is going to be drawing the solder towards it. That's the way you're going to get your best solder joint in there and the quickest way to get it done. Again, you want to be going not at the tip of the piece here. You want to be going where you want the solder to go. That means the back basically on the joint itself, at the back of the joint. So I'm not doing the actual piece that slides in. I'm doing the threaded part. That's where I'm heating up. And I'll wait for it to heat up enough to do the front side here, and then I know it's hot enough to go all the way around. It isn't quite there yet. There it is. Okay. Going in nicely. Okay, so that's it. other side. That. Remember the back side where the threading is, where you want the solder to go into. That's the key where you're going to be putting this thing. There, now to its melting point. Get this all the way around. Okay. That's an idea. It's good. Nice and sealed all the way around. Looks good. Okay, so that's 2. Now we'll do this last one. So this is the one that's the different style. You can see it's already hot here, so don't play with it too much. Okay. Yeah. So there it is, ladies and gentlemen. Looking real nice. There's your clamp. Okay, that's the 3 done. So now, of course, you don't want to be touching the valve with your hand or anything because it'll burn the hell out of them. So, you know, just if you need to shift it around or anything like that, we'll do the last solder job while we got this thing here on the go. You don't move around too much because the solder is still a bit soft. It takes a minute or so to really harden up, so don't want to play with it too much. So now that last piece is going to be just a cap.